Explain when and how to use the custom job intake function. Custom job intake is used when the customer gives us gold and/or gemstones to make a piece from scratch or to set their stones into an existing piece. Here's how we make a piece from scratch after you have entered their name using Find Customer or New Customer. Click the Custom Job Intake button. There are 4 tabs here. We will use only the General tab and the Tasks tab. We do not need the History tab at Intake. The Parts tab is deceiving. Even though we need to order a mounting and heads, which are parts, we do not use the Parts tab. The Parts tab is used only when we are using parts that are already in inventory. Use the mouse to put the cursor in the description field and describe the end product as briefly as possible. In this case, diamond ring. Take a picture of the drawing that the customer approved by clicking on Image, Acquire.
I'm out front. I don't have a camera here.
Oh, very good.
Okay.
Click on the Tasks tab and use the mouse to put the cursor in the description field. This is what the jeweler sees, so you must put step-by-step bullet points of everything you want the jeweler to do. In this case, he must order a Stuller mounting, number 5280. Click Enter and put down the color he wants it in, 14 karat yellow gold. Click Enter. What finger size? In this case, size 10. If the piece is going to be done through CAD-CAM, write CAD-CAM instead of Stuller mounting. In the parts field, put the amount that you told the customer this would cost. $1,000.
Thank you.
Click Add Task at the bottom right and write the jeweler's next steps. In this case, set customer's diamonds according to picture. And then put that price in the parts field, $450. Ask the customer if they would like an appraisal for insurance purposes. We don't do appraisals when using the customer's stone, but the best time to weigh and grade stones is when they are unset. We will weigh the stones for the customer and give them the business card of our trusted appraiser. Click Add Task and write Weigh Stone and put 0 in the price field. To be ordered. Now let's use Custom Job Intake to set the customer's stones into a piece from inventory. Everything is almost the same. The mistake people make is that they click Sell Item because that is how they have sold every other item. If you were to start there, you would have to then take it in as a repair, which is much more time consuming. The right way to do it is to click Custom Job Intake, then click the Parts tab.
Go ahead.
Click the Add button at the bottom of the page and enter the item number. In this case, 1031356. This pulls it out of inventory, sells it to the customer, and creates a job envelope. Click OK, Save, and Close. Use the General tab to describe the item as before, and use the Tasks tab to tell the jeweler what to do. Size to a 7. Set customer stone. Notice the parts field automatically has the price of the piece. You must add these new costs in the labor field. $450. OK, save and close. After the customer leaves, put the envelope in the jeweler's pan. That's it.
One final thing to note. Please do not use Custom Job Intake for simple ring sizing. It's for alterations that change the piece. For a ring sizing, you simply sell the item like you would any other time. We're going to use 204-2047. This generates the regular receipt with all the information on it. And then do repair intake Again, it's not that hard to do it right here. Find, this window pops up, 204-2047, okay, select, the piece pops up, put the size in there, and the due date and everything, and this will generate a job envelope for the jeweler and a good receipt for the customer. That's all.